Welcome to Invest. We talk about investing, finance for professional women. As of current time of 3:28 p.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum could trade $2,998. That's about 6.43% so far. Respect to over crypto market, see clearly we are bright red at the moment, with the entire crypto market selling off above negative 5.5% so far across the whole entire market. In respect to the equity side, we are also selling off as well. Nasdaq leading the effort, down about 2% so far. S&P following, down about 1.5%, while Dow Jones also down about 1% so far. And with respect to Ethereum, we are in between levels. We broke to two levels today. One is the 3158. The second level is the 3050. And I would say even the 3,000 mark, which was just broke right now, and I know we're kind of hovering, contemplating, do we go up, staying above the level, which looks like we are attempting to do so, or staying back down below 3,000 at the moment. And based on the propensity on the MACD and the RSI on a technical front, we can tell that we are still bearish because of the needle. It seems like it's an arrow pointing downward to the center of the earth. At the same time, the MACDs are forming a larger separation with no signs of curving up so far. So where's the next natural level to glide down to is 2853, which is exactly what we've been talking about so far. So technically, we could potentially bounce. Well, firstly, we have to encounter the flat numbers, right, the 2950. But going down to break 2950 and the subsequent to 2900 to 2858, which is the real level based on the line we drew here, is very logical. And I think that will be very possible because of the fact that we do have a sizable leap down with the 42 out of 70 right now. So if we gonna sell back down to 30 out of 70, 2853 would be very logical. Do we see like 2621? I think that's a bit of a stretch from here. In respect to Bitcoin, down about 5% as well. We are gliding a sideways at the resistance level. And, I'm not making this up, right? These are exact level that we have identified that the technical will be gliding down to if we're going to be selling off, right? So right now we are lingering around there with a 36 out of 70. So in terms of the rock bottom in the near term, I think 37,500 would be where Bitcoin could be gliding at. But right now, it's still a logical level to DCA at the moment. Ethereum Classic down about 7%. We are selling below the 3850, right? So you can see that with 37. So we clearly broke it. So ideally coming down all the way to 34, all the way to 27.99 would be very possible. Dogecoin 1392 right now. We are selling off, and you can see that the negative cross section has already been formed. It's negative on RSI as well. So selling down to 1166 all to 1066 very logical. Cardano's down about 8% so far. Anywhere from 85 cents all the way to 74 cents is logical. The 39 out of 70. So very bearish across the spectrum. Solana is down about 12% so far. We're contemplating, do we break 100 at the moment with 101, which is very logical. But 101 is not a real level, right? The next level we should ideally glide down to would be somewhere around like the 92. But I would prefer anywhere from 85 all the way to below. XRP is at 70 cents right now. We are contemplating, do we go down to the 69 cents level. 69 to 57 is ideal where you should be dollar cost averaging at. And I think right now at the 33 out of 70 is a buy right now, I would say, just like in terms of risk management level perspective. Polkadot down about 13% so far, with a 35 out of 70 right now. So I like current level actually. I don't mind it. But if you want to be more precise, 1650 all the way to 1406, very logical. Algorand's down about 10% so far. I like anywhere from basically current level all the way down to 67 based on the bottom. Shiba Inu 2100, 1400, 900. MACTAX down about 5.5%. Right, we are at the buying area now. Right now, 142 to 120. AVAX down about 9%. Right now, you can see that we're selling off clearly, and we are levitating at the moment. And I think ideally, buying at somewhere around bare minimum, 65 would be tolerable. But if I was to buy in for the first time, 60 to 50 from here. And Luna or Terra. we are going to be in for more sell-off with the 36 out of 70. So ideally bouncing from the 70, which is very logical, 75 if you want to be more precise, or 72.33 to be more precise actually. But if I was to buy for the first time, right, 62, 52 to 45 will be the 3 DCA levels from here. So it seems like Ethereum is already selling down. It's been sold down by like approximately like $20 ever since I start talking for the last 5 minutes so far. So it is coming true. So no need to panic. This is something we've been talking about so far. So stay strong, hold still, and buy the DCA levels that we identified. And if you need more guidance, follow the Patreon. It will give you more clarity around how to position and how to play this volatile market going forward. And we do have some reports coming out in the next couple of days coming up. The CPI report, the PPI report. So I'll keep you guys updated around those levels in terms of how the inflationary pressure will be playing out going forward. So have a good day. It's a quick one on this Monday afternoon, and take care.